So that's how I do mine.
I'm recording again.
Okay. We had a big old lightning strike right now, and it hit, and all the power went out for like a split second. It was pretty tight. It's raining hardcore right there.
Heck yeah, it is.
Why don't you run over here?
Be careful what you ask for.
All of a sudden, we're running inside.
That's an interesting cloud right there.
Looks like something went through it.
Yep.
That one looks like the face of an elephant.
Oh, yeah, it does.
See,
Huh?
like a little truck.
It's a heffalump.
There are no heffalumps and woozles.
Wow, it's pouring down over there.
Yeah, it is. Like you can't even see the mountains in the background.
Why does the little baby have to be asleep? Wow, help me.
Wake him up! No. We gotta go.
Hit him with your elbow. Oops, sorry, son. Are you awake? Let's go for a ride.
Oh, did you get that?
Wow. Pause time.